Welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Toad the Wet Sprocket. And we're going to react to the song Is There Anyone Out There?
Toad the Wet Sprocket. Yeah, I must confess, I have a strong bias towards them. I love them. Every time I've heard them, similar to the Dave Matthews Band. It always reminds me of the Dave Matthews Band. Little bit, very little bit of Five for Fighting too. But Toad the Wet Sprocket, they have always impressed me. So maybe even if I don't like the song, maybe I'll be a little bit lenient with them. So let's see what Kirti thinks of it, because she doesn't care too much about them. Does she?
I don't.
I don't know.
Swarm of senses, shattered storm, tangled threads to weave the world. We build defenses, call them home, each alive, alert, alone. Is there anyone out? Is there anyone out there? Hey, hey. Is there anyone out? Is there anyone out there? Calling for you. Just don't know how to reach across the breach too deep between us. Is there anyone out? Is there anyone out there? Feels the way I do. Uncertain language, imperfect words. How can we expect to speak the truth? I need you closer, I need you still. No matter how I seem to despair from you. Is there anyone out? Is there anyone out there? Hey, hey. Is there anyone out? Is there anyone out there? The world I've seen, it seemed no one could ever know. The same as every other one. 7 billion souls. Is there anyone out there? Is there anyone out? Is there anyone out there? Calling for you. Just don't know how to reach across the breach too deep between us. Is there anyone out? Is there anyone out there? Feels the way I do. The way I do. Feels the way I do. The way I do. Is there anyone out? Is there anyone out there? Feels the way I do. Is there anyone out? Is there
Nice.
What are your thoughts, Kirti, on this?
This is nice. This is nice. I like the vocals. Is there anyone out there? And on on a lighter note, the way he says "help, help," it's so musical. I don't think anybody will take it seriously. If I ask for help that way, people will just say it's kind of just for fun. So yeah, I like the song. I like the way the music goes. And just before we could start, you gave the example also of Dave Matthews Band. The moment it started, it actually sounded like them, at least like Dave Matthews and his vocals. It was nice, mild to listen to, and it also reminded me a song that we reacted to almost about 2 years from now. I think that should be 1.5 to 2
2
years.
years ago.
Yeah.
From now.
Yeah.
From now is in the future.
Okay, yeah, sorry, yeah. I do make such mistakes. Yeah, 2 years ago, maybe. Hey You. That's Hey You, right? Of Pink Floyd. The person from behind and he's asking for help.
Yeah,
Somewhat like that.
on that note, since you brought up Pink Floyd,
Yeah.
this could be a good song for the truck drivers to listen to and play in their trucks.
Oh, yeah.
For Boris Johnson,
yes, exactly. They
for
can
Boris
say that.
Johnson
Is there anyone out
and
there?
everyone else who's not allowing them to get into the UK
Yeah,
or out of the
yeah,
UK,
yeah.
and even the cars and all the
Everyone on the
vehicles
other side can
who are
help.
stranded, and it's a humanitarian crisis. There's violence.
Major crisis.
There are episodes and episodes of violence, and it's so bad. It's so bad. We are hearing personal accounts from people who live there
It's heartbreaking.
on near the borders, and they're saying how horrible it is. People are literally falling sick. People are in strife. People are not getting proper meals. They can't make potty properly. They don't know where to pee. It's a miserable humanitarian crisis that's happening on the borders of UK. And at this time of the year,
yeah.
Merry Christmas. It's happy
It's a
holidays.
holidays time.
So is there anyone out there? Perfect
there
song.
anyone out there
Perfect song for
who's
them
in the
to
same
for
place
them to
as him?
play to all those guys, Boris Johnson and all the other people out there in that part of the world. What are they doing?
Please
What are they
listen.
doing? Listen to them. Listen to them. Please listen to them. On our side of the world, they are protests, but people are dancing. People are getting massages.
It's a new era of protest.
The farmers are dancing, celebrating, drinking, getting high and whatnot. They are chanting things. They are abusing people. They are doing everything possible, you know. Their gunshots heard on silent nights, holy nights too. You don't know what all they are up to over there.
But they
so
do
they are
have
having a
Valentine
ball. They are having a ball. They are eating jalebis and gulab jamuns
sweets.
and drinking nice
And nuts.
fresh lassi for breakfast with almonds and cashews and plums.
Well, they are farmers, they feed
and,
people.
and they're really having a good time. Chicken tikka masala, biryani, anda biryani, chicken biryani, veg biryani for the veggies. Oh, but they're the truckies. Oh, guys, the truckers, oh, they are in a pathetic state. They are in a pathetic state, and it's not even being allowed to cover properly.
Yeah.
The media over there is so unscrupulously bad and completely in denial. They don't like covering such things. They don't like covering such things. We hear most of it through media, external media from the
Such an
other side.
ignorance, yeah.
Other side who's saying all this is happening and showing us pictures of people who are falling sick and finding it difficult to
It's
even
mental.
get a meal. They can't even go far for their meal because they don't know when the truck will move. So it's a pathetic situation here.
Sad.
Pathetic. And so is anyone out there?
Is there anyone out there who can listen?
Whether it's a Pink Floyd song or
Hey
this
You.
Toad the Wet Sprocket, Pink Floyd may be more apt for them. That's why I
Yeah.
brought up this topic.
Yeah.
Is there anybody out there? That cranky, horrible sounding voice. Is there
Yeah, that is-
anybody out there?
That is how it is.
Hello? Is there anybody in there? It's not that you can hear me. But there is anyone at all. Yes, there are lots of people and they're having a great time getting their vaccines first, having a Merry Christmas with their family and loved ones while you suffer. You guys suffer. The frontline workers, the people who gave us all the goods and services practically this year that we received at our doorstep.
And they do it.
They
anyway.
did it with their trucks, with their lorries, with their tempos in this part of the world and that part of the world. And this is how miserably they are being treated right now. Vaccine shot? No. It's a death shot literally. Many of them will be in a bad state and will be succumbing.
You know, for me, the
days
heroes
and
of
months,
this
weeks
year,
ahead
at
if
least,
things are not
for me
taken care of.
personally, they were not the doctors, not the nurses, because I have not needed them yet, but they were these people.
They were our
the
saviors.
The logistics people.
The logistic people, the truck drivers, the delivery guys, the courier guys, I keep saying it to my clients, my friends, and they also agree completely with me. For us, it's been those who are alive and well. It's been the truck drivers, it's been the
have food
logistic
because
guys,
they
it's
provide
been
it.
the security guys who have thanks to them,
We could
we
have
are
had all the money in the world, but we
Yeah.
still wouldn't have something delivered to us if they weren't working.
miserable condition out there. It's the worst humanitarian crisis
Ever.
this year for sure.
Yeah.
2020, the worst humanitarian crisis after the Wuhan wet market is definitely the UK border. What's happening and the way those people are being treated, they're like wild animals. Horrible.
So much people didn't do even to stop the virus from spreading. The
And-
way they are stopping them.
And unfortunately, even such a good song couldn't make
We
me
had to
forget
mention,
them.
so sorry.
We can't forget those things. We can't forget. The people out there may want to sweep it under the carpet and pretend it doesn't happen. It doesn't exist. The racism, the discrimination, the open slavery, and how they treat
Also,
people.
Sam, you know, we too are two reactors, music reactors, and there are a lot of truck drivers who love to listen to music all the time. They are one of the major fans, or their community is major fans of music. They are always about music. They are always talking, playing. You know, their life revolves around music. So we got to, think about them.
Yeah, they are like refugees, which reminds me of the recent song of Tom Petty singing Refugee and bringing in such ugly lines off and on in the
That was
lyrics.
stupid.
That was highly offensive. And I don't know what got into him. I heard him before and I really enjoyed a few of his songs.
Yeah.
But that really turned me off.
That's me too.
Refugees. So these guys are the real refugees. Real refugees out there on the borders trying to get in, although they don't want to be a refugee.
They don't want
They
to. be
just are
refugee.
doing their
They
job.
just are doing the job.
They're doing their job and this is how you're treating them. Miserable.